Hi, I'm Paul Culhane. Diane and I bought our solar system last year from GRNE. It's 4.7 megawatts size of the system, and it's been a very good deal. We bought the system outright, which, as some of the other videos say, is the efficient way to do it. The system cost $13,200, but when you take off the, just got a check a day or so ago, or last week, from GRNE for the solar RECs, the renewable energy credits, $4,100 and change. And then when we did our taxes earlier this year, we saved almost $4,000, $3,960. So when you take basically the $8,000 off of this, the system, we only paid 40% out of pocket net. So that's a very good thing about buying your solar panels. It seems like it's a chunk of change, but when you take the other factors into account, you have very good savings. Well, and one of the things when you install the panels is you start to be aware of the fact that you're getting free electrons from the sun, and you start to change other things. We had an old push lawnmower that was getting a little on the old side, so we decided to get an electric, an Ego lawnmower. It was very, very good, self-propelled, and we always make sure to wait until the sun is shining to turn the charger on, and so we've got renewable electrons that are going in to run the lawnmower. So when we bought that, we still had about half a tank of gas in the old lawnmower, so I figured, well, I'll use that up on one last run. Got out on the run, 10 feet into the mowing run, the engine blew a 2-inch hole in the size of the engine. And I'm thinking, wait a minute, lawnmowers don't have feelings. But it's sitting there thinking, I've been a reliable 25-year gas lawnmower for you, and you go out and you buy a renewable energy lawnmower. I'm blowing my top. Going green, there's little odd things that can happen when that happens, but we're very happy with the new lawnmower too.